All right, we're ready to go.
All right. Well, thanks for being here at the LiTime booth here at the 2025 Bassmaster Classic page. It's been amazing.
Happy to be here.
Yeah, and I understand you have several interesting questions you want to ask about the LiTime brand, and I hope we can answer those for you. So
awesome.
I'm going to let you have it.
Yeah, we need to let everybody know how amazing LiTime is and what we offer. So you've been with them for a while now.
Yep.
What would you say is their philosophy? What do they stand for?
I think one of the biggest things when I think about LiTime is not only their brand philosophy, but why they do what they do. And they want to make one of the most eco-friendly batteries that they have out there and be able to change the ecosystem in a way that we can have clean, friendly power that can be delivered more efficiently and everything that makes, a battery necessary. Unlike our older brands that we had, or heavier brands, lithium is changing the game, and I think LiTime is leading the way.
Absolutely.
So I'm really, great about that, and I like the fact that there's just accessible upgrades to the process too when they're doing their process. So we can't go wrong there. So yeah, that's LiTime for you. So
awesome. They're affordable. You were mentioning earlier they're safe too.
Yes, absolutely safe. One of the things with everybody kind of get rattled about lithium. They think it can be, kind of an unsafe issue, but LiTime has really narrowed that down to make it a way to really make it very safe, user-friendly, eco-friendly, and make it work for the consumer. And so now, a lot of people are now starting to build their comfortability around the brand, and LiTime is leading the way doing that.
That's awesome.
So that's pretty good. So we're
really
good to go.
Is a game changer in the industry. Okay, let's see what we got here. What made you launch the Power marine system?
Okay, for me, it was a no-brainer. And I'm going to kind of tell you this story, Paige, because it's kind of interesting. I have a golf cart. Okay. And my golf cart wouldn't go up a hill. And I was like, why? Because I got 300 pounds of batteries in here.
That'll do it.
And me having 4 people on the golf cart, another 300 pounds.
We got to get rid of some of that weight. We don't want to get rid of the people.
Right, exactly. So I had to make a decision. If I'm going to go up the hill, I absolutely had to figure out a new battery solution. That's when LiTime came into place.
Perfect.
So get this. I removed 320 pounds out of my golf cart and replaced it with one LiTime golf cart battery.
Just one.
For 34 pounds.
So from 300 to 34.
Absolutely.
That is amazing.
When we talk about a reduce, my golf cart, it
goes up that we can throw more people in there now. We're all going.
That's what we're doing. So that's one of the biggest things. That's how I kind of ran into that and why I got into the Power. So I said to myself, when I got to ICAST, I'm going to make sure I meet them. And they was absolutely at ICAST, and I got a chance to meet them.
Awesome.
And the rest is history.
And that just launched it all for
That's it. That did it.
Awesome.
So, yeah, great.
What do you think are some of LiTime's main core values?
I think their core values, and it kind of goes back to when we was talking about safety. Nobody wants to put a product that's out unsafe.
Exactly.
And I think reliability, dependability, and serviceability are the main pillars in which I think LiTime stands on. And they want to do things the right way the first time.
Exactly.
And they don't mind, and they will take things to the brink to make sure they get it right. And I can appreciate that, because once the consumer get it, we want to make sure they're totally happy.
Exactly.
And that we can carry them through the sale.
That's right.
And that's one of the things that I like about LiTime.
So you know that first order that you get, you're not going to have to go back and get something different when they come out with a 2.0 version, because the first time is right.
Right, exactly. We want it right the first time, each time, and that makes all the difference in the world. So
and
that's
it's affordable.
Good. Yes.
Affordable. Which...
When you talk about affordability, yes. Affordability, reliability, dependability. Those are the standards that we need, especially as an angler. Especially as an angler, that's what I need.
Exactly.
Right there. So I'm good with that.
What are some of the specific benefits of the marine power system?
The specific benefits, I know when we was talking about some different things there, with their benefits is the compatibility. I'm finding out that the compatibility that I can use it across different marine products, my electronics, my outboard motor.
Gotcha.
Those are the things that make them different when they're compatible. I don't have to go try to tinker with a whole lot of other new parts I just need to be able to install it and go. And that's what I really like about it. Also, cost savings. We talked about that.
Yep.
You know, why would I go spend an enormous amount of money on a product when I can get it cheaper somewhere else? So that makes a lot of sense right there, and I really, really like that. And I think we talked about eco-friendly, but here's one thing that a lot of people don't think about. It's the long-lasting part of it. The long-lasting part of having a quality product, that's a no-brainer for us. So that right there is a good way that I like to do things.
Absolutely.
Yep. So.
How has LiTime empowered users to make the switch to?
Well, I think one of the things LiTime has done really well is being extremely transparent. Being extremely transparent is one of the biggest ways that you can build brand awareness. I think LiTime has done that. They have no problem getting full independent reviews from the ones that actually use their products.
Exactly.
And then
that real feedback.
Exactly, that real authentic feedback. And when you get that, you get real authentic improvements.
Exactly.
So it's a no-brainer when it comes to how they've done that. And I can appreciate their transparency and their ability to have their brand be that open and being able to take advantage of
they give exactly what the users are needing and wanting. They listen to them.
Absolutely, absolutely. And let's talk about the weight.
Yes, let's
talk about the weight. When I talk about one of these batteries back here, and you want to talk about how lightweight, sir. Jesus, see, that's what I'm saying. Be present. So we're gonna recut that. Let's talk about the weight.
Yeah.
All right. So the weight of these batteries back here are very extremely light, right? In my boat, again, I took out 4 lead acid batteries that was weighing 72 pounds a piece down to just 4 batteries that only weigh an average of 100 pounds. So another big advantage.
Huge advantage.
And I get to go faster on the water.
Exactly.
So
you get to those spots before everybody else.
Makes all the difference in the world. So that's amazing. So, but yeah, what's your next question that you got?
Okay. So we're down here at Bassmaster. What is LiTime's message that we want to get out to people here?
All right. The message at the 2025 Bassmaster Classic, one, we want to make sure we bring awareness that, guys, there is an opportunity and a solution out here for your lithium battery needs. And there is a lot of opportunity out there, but we thank them for considering LiTime as one of their choices, because we are one of the top brands. We are quality product. We are customer facing, and we also make sure that we want to follow through with what we say we're going to do. And I think here at the Bassmaster Classic, we want everybody that comes by our booth, we want them to take a picture of the booth and hashtag LiTime TX.
There's always something fun happening in the booth. We just want to have a good time.
You're right. We definitely want to make sure that's always happening. And but yeah, guys, that's one of the things. But we want to make sure the participants know that LiTime is a real player in the game. We're in, I think, 12 different distribution centers in Atlanta, 40 different locations in the world.
That's amazing.
Guys, they are a real player in the game. In Germany, Japan, China, America. They have a big impact. So that's what we want to be able to make sure we let the participants here know that you got a real player in the game, and we're here to stay.
And I think people are seeing that.
Yep, I think so.
I think so too. It doesn't take long to see it.
Yep. Now, I know we talked earlier about the value.
Yes.
Right? LiTime have a 10-year, they have a 10-year value, a 5-year warranty,
okay,
and a 10-year lifespan. And
great.
That's pretty impactful right there. They work in all weather conditions, and the different factors that they build everything in-house. Their battery management system is actually built in-house by them.
That's great.
Absolutely.
Amazing.
Right. There's no third-party parts put on. They're built in-house, and the company owners know exactly that, hey, if we're going to build it right, we're going to have to do it ourselves.
That's right.
And I appreciate that, hands down. So, so that right there makes a lot of sense. And we're hearing a lot of people at the Classic are saying they're running our batteries, they're using our batteries, we love
They're
your
loving the
batteries.
batteries.
They loving these batteries. So when that's happening, we're where we want to be.
For sure.
And we want to continue to build that brand awareness.
Absolutely.
Because LiTime goal here at the Bassmaster Classic, in short, we want to build brand awareness and position ourselves high in the minds of our consumers.
Absolutely. You got to
That's
just get that product out there because it's an amazing product. And, you know, once it's in people's hands, in their boats, in their golf carts, and, you know, anything they want to power, it's not going to take long to realize that this is, you know, it's up there.
It's the way to go.
Yeah.
And like I say, we are probably one of the most affordable, high quality batteries they are.
Absolutely.
So that makes all the difference in the world. So, all right, we are on a roll here. Yep.
So what are some of LiTime's future plans? What do we got coming out?
Well, I think one of the biggest things that we're trying to do with LiTime is we're trying to make sure that we strengthen our partnerships that we already got, and that's always important in all the brands. We want to make sure we strengthen those partnerships. We also want to optimize our marine contacts. We really want to build out the marine side of things and make sure that LiTime is one of the choices in the marine industry for our boat and everything like that. Continue to improve on our battery tech, continue to improve on our controls that we're having, and just try to make a better product. And how we do that is by listening to our consumers.
Exactly.
Yep. So we continue to listen to them. So we welcome the feedback that we get, the good, the bad, the ugly. We want to know because we can't get better if we don't know.
Exactly.
You know?
That's
and
right.
always we ask you this, guys, if you have any issue with any of our products, give us the opportunity first to fix it, because I promise you we will. That's how we want to operate.
Just always trying to grow and you know, improve and get better.
Yep. And that's how we operate. So I think in the long term, that's where LiTime is going. Yep. We want to continue to build those partnerships.
Just keep listening to the people and give them what they want.
That's it. And they'll tell us.
That's right.
That's it. They'll tell us.
Yeah.
So we're good. Yep.
What else doesn't make sense? Can I look at yours?
All right.
What are some of LiTime's strengths beyond the marine power systems?
Okay, I'm glad you asked that question, because some people just may think we only do marine. But actually, LiTime does RV, they does golf carts, they do home energy storage solutions.
Amazing.
So if you're like living off the grid and you want to have a solar system to provide you power, LiTime does that. We have a full layout of how you can do that. As far as our golf carts, they can power all of the golf carts. They have about 10 different solutions for golf carts, and they have for all budget sizes, which really makes it a very attractive market.
Absolutely.
With your golf cart. Now RVs, I have my own RV. I travel with an RV every time I go fishing. It makes it much easier, but they power my RV, all my house battery, my refrigerators, microwaves, everything.
Awesome.
They do everything. So they do everything, you know, that you would want to expect from your lithium battery company beyond the marine space. So they're doing it good. But like I say, still the advantages are still the same. They're still very lightweight. Anytime I can remove weight off of anything, you know, I'm saving energy, time, and gas.
Exactly.
So we're doing all that. And also, I really like the fact that they have many patents on their products, and their research and development is top notch. And so they spend a lot of time doing that.
Always just trying to improve.
It's the continuous improvement mindset.
Exactly.
And that's what LiTime, I think, stands for the most. That how do we get better? And that's always the question.
Well, it's a great product to begin with.
Right,
so how do you improve more?
How do you get better at that product? So that's one of the things that we want to try to be able to do. So
awesome.
We're good to go.
Well, LiTime's definitely changing the game, and it's, you know, you can see it, and I live off grid, so I know what I'm going to be getting.
Right, absolutely. Well, thank you. Thank you for taking the time to interview LiTime.
Thank you for having me. It was nice talking with you.
Well, good enough. Thank you so much.